Welcome to Istanbul, the city where East meets West. If you're searching for a destination steeped in history, bursting with culture, and brimming with modernity, look no further than Istanbul. Situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, this vibrant metropolis has something for everyone. So, whether you're a culture vulture, a history buff, or just looking for an unforgettable experience, here are many reasons why Istanbul should be on your bucket list. For history buffs, Istanbul is an absolute treasure trove. The city has some of the world's most magnificent historical landmarks to transport you back in time. Take the Hagia Sophia, for instance. This iconic structure was once a church, then a mosque. It's a true testament to the city's multicultural heritage and a must-visit attraction. The Blue Mosque, with its stunning architecture and intricate details, is another landmark that will leave you in awe. And let's remember the Topkapi Palace, a sprawling complex once the seat of power for the Ottoman Empire. This palace offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the sultans who once ruled Istanbul. And last but not least, the Basilica Cistern is a hidden gem that's worth discovering. This underground cistern was built in the 6th century and is a real feat of engineering. The Bosphorus Strait is the waterway separating Asia and Europe and one of Istanbul's most iconic features. And what better way to experience this magnificent stretch of water than by taking a leisurely cruise? As you sail down the Bosphorus, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of Istanbul's skyline. You'll see both the old and modern parts of the city and get a glimpse of the luxurious villas and palaces that line the shore. These beautiful buildings show that Istanbul has a long history and is an important cultural and economic hub. And as you soak in the stunning views, you'll understand why the Bosphorus Strait is often called the heart and soul of Istanbul. When it comes to food, Istanbul is a true culinary paradise. From street food to fine dining, the city offers a gastronomic experience like no other. Indulge in some juicy kebabs, crispy baklava, and sweet Turkish delight. Or, if you're a seafood lover, try some of the fresh catch from the Bosphorus. And what's a meal without some refreshing beverages? Remember to sip on some traditional Turkish tea or coffee, and let the warm and aromatic flavors transport you to another world. But the best part about Istanbul's food scene is that it caters to every budget and preference. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite from a street food vendor or a lavish dinner at a fancy restaurant, you will find something satisfying your cravings. For shopping enthusiasts, Istanbul is a dream destination. The city is home to some of the world's most iconic markets, where you can find everything from spices and textiles to jewelry and souvenirs. For example, the Grand Bazaar is one of the world's oldest and biggest covered markets. It also has a vast selection of goods. And if you're a foodie, the Spice Bazaar is a must-visit. Here, you'll find an aromatic selection of herbs, dried fruits, nuts, and other culinary delights that will leave your taste buds begging for more. But the best part about shopping in Istanbul is that it's not just about the merchandise. It's about the experience. It's about wandering through the narrow streets, bargaining with the friendly vendors, and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. A Turkish bath, or hammam, is the perfect experience if you're looking for the ultimate relaxation. Traditional bathhouses like these have many ways to help you relax and feel better, from a simple soak to a full-body scrub. During your stay, you'll have a luxurious, authentic experience that dates back hundreds of years. You'll be in a peaceful place where you can let go of your worries and stress and enjoy some well-earned pampering. And after your session, you'll feel like a new person. Your body will be refreshed, your mind will be clear, and your spirit will be uplifted. And what's more, visiting a Turkish bath is also a social experience. Get together with your friends or family and spend quality time together while being pampered in a Turkish bath. When the sun goes down, Istanbul truly comes alive. The city boasts a vibrant nightlife scene that caters to all tastes and preferences. From trendy rooftop bars to underground clubs, something exciting always happens in Istanbul after dark. Istanbul's clubs are a must-visit if you're in the mood to dance the night away. You'll find a variety of venues that play everything from the latest hits to traditional Turkish music, and you'll be sure to find a crowd that matches your vibe. But if you're looking for something more laid back, Istanbul's rooftop bars offer a stunning view of the city skyline and a more relaxed atmosphere. Sip on a cocktail while enjoying the views and the company of friends. Istanbul has a lot of history and culture. Its museums are a great way to learn about this. The city's museums show its history through old artifacts and intricate rugs. The Istanbul Archaeology Museum is a must-visit for history buffs. Here, you'll find a collection of over 1 million objects, including ancient Greek, Roman, and Ottoman artifacts that date back thousands of years. And for those interested in textiles and design, the Museum of Turkish Carpets is a treat for the senses. But Istanbul's museums are not just about the past. For example, the Istanbul Modern Art Museum is a must-see for art lovers because it shows modern art from Turkey and worldwide. Get away from the noise and chaos of the city and enjoy nature in one of Istanbul's parks or gardens. The town boasts several green spaces that offer a serene retreat from the urban chaos. One of these green spots in the middle of the city is the Gülen Park, which is near the Topkapi Palace. This quiet park is a great place to take a break, relax, and enjoy the lush greenery. And for those who love flowers and stunning views, Emirgan Park is a must-visit. This park is known for its beautiful tulips and breathtaking views of the Bosphorus. But the best part about Istanbul's parks is that they are not just for admiring nature. They are also a perfect spot for picnics, outdoor sports, and family outings. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the magical city of Istanbul. We hope you enjoy discovering all this city's fantastic things. If you want to see more videos like this one and discover more fantastic tourist destinations worldwide, remember to subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more exciting content soon. From the beaches of Bali to the mountains of Switzerland, so many incredible places are waiting to be explored. So, stay tuned, and we'll take you on an unforgettable journey worldwide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.